you need to warm up a little bit the body. So we do a couple of basic warm-ups just to get the body open up a little bit. So one thing to do is with the head. So turning the head to the left, go as far as you can go and just do 1, 2, 3. And go to the right. 1, 2, 3. And left, and 1, 2, 3. And right, and 1, 2, 3. And shoulders, pull your shoulders forward. Just open them up. Open up the shoulders a little bit. And roll back. Good. And the elbows, just make a half a fist and just turn the elbows around. Because everybody's doing a lot of computer work, and this way we're opening it up. So all those warm-ups actually were taught by Master Wu as well during that time. So open up the arms. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And down. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 9. Also open up the hips a little bit. So open up your stance and just turn your hip around. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and the other way. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Let's turn the knees. So put both hands on your knees. So the palm of your hand on the knees and just turn the knees around. Just get a little bit of moisture in there, inside and outside turning. Okay, a couple of times. Then the ankle, it's another joint that we like to open up. Just turn it around and turn it the other way. And turn it the other way. Good. And then you inhale and exhale. And then open arms, inhale and exhale. Good. So now at least your body's a little bit warmed up. So let's start the form. So the position is slightly open at the feet. We do 3 breathings to calm the mind. Inhale, Song. Inhale, Song. Inhale, Song. Gonna tap our teeth. Going to get some moisture in our body. So we tap our teeth. The point is when you tap your teeth, not to swallow the saliva until the end of the practice with your teeth. So it's like a dental Qigong. So tap your teeth on the left side 9 times. Tap your teeth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then do the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Front of your teeth. All your teeth. Don't swallow saliva. Now keep your teeth together, and then we're going to turn our tongue around 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're going to put our tongue in front of our teeth and turn the other way. Don't swallow saliva. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we're going to tip with the tongue to the top of the palate 3 times. Then the bottom, front of your teeth. Now we have collected a lot of moisture here. So we're going to take that in at 3 steps, a little bit at a time. So you got to dose it, okay? A little bit at a time. So step 1, step 2, and step 3. And we need that moisture to help our digestive system.